Well, today we are celebrating our 12 years of commitment and huge growth of this facility of Valeo Vision in Tuam. We wanted to celebrate the amazing support that we have from IDA from the very beginning to make this little nugget become a huge golden nugget.
It's a 44 million euro investment that will be as well kind of coming along with 50 very senior expertise jobs in the R&D space to develop 4 very key projects in the computer vision.
The reason that Valeo has chosen Tuam is because of the long track record and fantastic history that Valeo has here in Tuam in terms of producing vision systems, researching vision systems and bringing them through to commercialization and production.
Here in Tuam, we are the headquarters of the global vision systems product line within Valeo. We have invested in the people here, in growing the product development technology and in parallel the process development technology. And we also manufacture cameras here on this site. When we were taken over by a multinational, we became part of the portfolio of the IDA in 2007. All through those years, they have been a key partner in the development of our technology as it progressed in its maturity and in its capability.
Valeo's presence in Tuam has an enormous impact on the town and on this region. It is a huge economic stimulus to the town. Valeo is an integral part of Tuam and feeds into every part of the society here.
I think that Tuam has a mix of loyalty, high technology, and we see that being here in countryside in Ireland, there is no limit to what level of technology we can develop in this place. And it's a wonderful place to be. Tuam, Galway, all this area is lovely.
Irish government and Irish agency like IDA have helped us to support us financially and also by their constant reviews and friendliness to our teams based here, and I always try to sponsor what this Irish agency and the Irish government were doing throughout the years.
Absolutely, the level of hospitality is unparalleled.